I've got a rat problem! Take care of it immediately! I've got the perfect thing for that! Hooah! Oh. Ah! Ah! Dude, did you just use the flamethrower for nothing?
How wasteful!
You're chasing him out for nothing!
I'm gonna use this clip.
I think we can all agree. What? I said, I think we can all what? We can all agree that Mackenzie.
2 hours later.
Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! There you go! It's all coming together perfectly.
Scratch! Why are you wasting perfectly good Mackenzie killing time on this side project?
Watch and learn. Boy, I'm having such a good day. I hope nothing comes to ruin it.